Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. As you saw in the thumbnail, I got another haul, y'all. Let me unload this. I'll be right back. Okay, I unloaded it. Let's do this. All right. First thing I want to say is in this haul, there were two other items that were supposed to be in it. They did not send them in it. In fact, they were missing completely. So I did contact customer care through Facebook Messenger. Yes, if you have a problem getting through to Bath & Body Works, go online to Facebook, find their main page, and message them. I got a response like that, and it was handled like within an hour. Everything was done. So anyway, they're shipping the new ones to me, and I will show you those in a later haul. But let's get into this haul. First thing I did pick up was the Vanilla Bean Noel in the butter. Your girl's tongue-tied a little bit today. But yes, I've been wanting to get my hands on this. Some of y'all mentioned when I did my other haul and I had the body cream that the body butter was banging. So I was like, So I ran online that night and I did order this. Scent notes are, where are they? Okay. Fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, snow-kissed musk, and y'all. Like, y'all, I'm just so happy that they did Vanilla Bean Noel right this year. Maybe not the body lotion or the body cream, but the body butter and the spray are good. So now that I was able to get my paws on the body butter, I think I'm probably going to return the cream, but holy shnikes. Y'all, she smells as good as I remember her. Oh my God. She's good and she's strong. Like, she's strong. So I highly recommend the body butter instead of the body cream. Y'all, this is the first haul where I actually picked up some of their hair care stuff. I have not tried it before, but I'm like, when they did that $5.95 sale, unbeknownst to me until I actually went online to order this, it included hair care, all their Moxie products, everything. So I took the opportunity to go ahead and get my paws on a couple of these. One of the ones I did get was Into the Night in the shampoo. I do plan on using this winter. Scent notes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy ritually and mocha musk. I'm telling you, I can't talk today, yo. Bro, it smells legit just like the body care. And I'm excited because I'm going to use this winter. So I did get the shampoo as well as the conditioner. Yes. The conditioner is even stronger. Wow. Yo, okay, now I'm going to tell you something. When I use this the first time, I will come back and report and let you guys know if this does scent your hair like that, because I'm very, very intrigued. Very intrigued. The other ones I did get Champagne Toast in the shampoo. Scent notes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. Whoo, is that strong? Baby. Yo, actually, I can pick up more of the tangerine in this than I normally can in the body care. I'm digging it. So I'm probably going to use this come spring. And, oh my goodness, and my nose itches. That probably means I'm going to kiss a fool. You know that's what that means. When your nose itches, you're going to kiss a fool. I ain't dating, so I don't know who the hell that could be. But anyway, yeah, when we have another body care sale, I will, if it includes the shampoos and conditioners, I'm going to get the conditioner to Champagne Toast, and I probably will use this winter as well. Because if this scents your hair, yo. Oh, yeah. I'm digging it. Now, for summer, I did pick up at the beach. I'm going to save this till next spring, summer. Scent notes are white frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot waters, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. I love At the Beach, and It will forever remind me of this family trip I took with all 3 of my kids to Jamaica in 2019. I took my kids, we went for 10 days. It was just me and the 3 kids. We stayed at the Ocho Rios all-inclusive resort in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And I took at the beach, and every time I smell it now, it reminds me of that. It smells amazing. And I did get, you know me, I did get the matching conditioner. Because y'all, who wouldn't want your hair to smell like at the beach in the summertime? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Bruh, it's so good. I really do love this scent. I'm already missing summer. It is so crappy here in Northeast Ohio today. Like, I'm just already over it. I went ahead and Anthony helped me get like all of the outdoor fall and Halloween decorations on my back patio. I haven't completely closed up the patio yet, like covered all the furniture and put the cushions away and everything, but it's coming close. Like, it'll probably be within the next couple weeks. I'm hoping I maybe get 2 more Sundays of game day out there watching it on the covered patio. So we'll see. But I'm hoping. But yeah, that is everything I got in my haul, y'all. It wasn't a big haul. Like I said, they were missing a couple items. I was a little pissed. But they did take care of it. They are shipping it free of charge. What's coming up? Okay. I just want to let you guys know to keep your peepers open. I still have lots of reviews and comparisons coming of all the new stuff that I still haven't done yet. Plus, Dirty Soul Soap Company and I are going to be doing another collaboration here within the next week or so. They are sending me all of, well, a good chunk of all of the Christmas holiday selections that are out right now on their website. So we will be doing a haul and a review of all of those as well. I'm super excited from that. As well as I do have a really big order from Victoria's Secret coming. So stay tuned for that, because it is their whole new candied line. It's their whole new gala line as well. And I did also get some things from Pink as well in that same order. So keep your eyes peeled for that, okay? Other than that, I did post some new pics of ballet slippers. And what was the other one called? Ballet Nights and Satin Slippers. I did post some of those pictures on my community page on YouTube. It looks as if Satin Slippers is White Rose, Creamy Jasmine, and Airy Musk. And Ballet Nights is Wild Plum, Glowing Amber, and Tonka Cream. So I'm very curious to see what those are going to turn out to be. It does look like it's going to be New Year's body care, which typically comes out like middle of January, or I'm sorry, middle of December. And then right around the corner, y'all, will be SAS. And we already know they're probably going to have a destination collection because of that Meet Me in Miami one that I talked about in one of my other videos. So, and we still have like 2 more Winter 2 and Winter 3 coming, which had all, Winter 2 and Winter 3 have, let's see, they've got Carried Away, Ballet Slippers, Satin Slippers, Crisp Morning Air, Fresh Sparkling Snow, Frozen Lake, Hot Cocoa and Cream, Limoncello, Lovely Dreamer, Laundry Day, Linen and Lavender, Pistachio and Vanilla. Sugared Lemon Zest, Spiced Citrus Grove, Perfect Christmas, 'Tis the Season, and Winterberry Ice. So by my count, that is still another 17 cents. And I'm thinking these are all going to be released before SAS. I'm sure they're going to have some SAS lines, but I'm really, really curious what that could be. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, everybody, that is everything I have in this haul. Have you tried the hair care yet? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Did you end up picking up Vanilla Bean Noel in the body butter? Because baby, she slaps. She slaps. Yeah. Other than that, y'all, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. Other than that, y'all, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.